everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to prevent ad exchange from serving on domains where violations exist. Let's say, for example, you have multiple websites under a single ad manager account, and there's one domain where you're well aware that violations exist, and there's no option for you to delete or take down those pages or that site. But instead you opt to just avoid or prevent ad exchange from serving on that site. On your ad manager account, you just go to protections, and then there's an option, inventory exclusion. Give it a name. Here you have the option to whether protect all inventory, that will cover all inventory you have for this ad manager account, or only protect specified inventory. If you select this, make sure you click on Add Targeting. Then you have targeting parameters or options in here. Let's say you target a specific inventory, you have to select inventory, and by default, it will target everything. So click on that, and make sure you click on Add Units or Placements, whichever is applicable, and only select the ad units where you want ad exchange prevented from serving. You can add as many targeting parameters as needed. And now all you need to do is just click on Save. So the targeted inventory or everything you're targeting here will be excluded from the open auction. So ad exchange, open auction will basically not happen on anything that is targeted in this protection.
That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.